Let's understand the science behind a volcano eruption. Vinegar is an acid, and baking soda is a base. When they are mixed, they begin to react. This is called a chemical reaction when new substances are formed. One of these substances is carbon dioxide gas. This gas then builds pressure inside the mixture. And then, the pressure pushes the liquid out. Just like a volcanic eruption.